Welcome back, students. Welcome to the video lecture in Signal and Systems. In the previous video lecture, we have seen how a signal xt, which is in continuous time domain, is converted to its samples using a sampler, which you can see here in our first diagram. When the sampling frequency omega s is more than 2 times the maximum frequency content of xt with a sampling time period of ts, we get a successful sampling. Now the sampled signal has a magnitude which is equal to the magnitude of xt at the time of sampling instant. So if this is our signal xt, then the sampled signal will look like st, where magnitude at each sampling instant will be equal to the magnitude of the signal xt. But this is a sampled signal, or these are the samples of xt equally spaced at ts time period. Also, we have seen that from these samples how the xt can be reconstructed back. So how to construct xt is our main task in the previous video. So there you have seen that the signal xt, that is sampled as st using the sampler, when passed through zero order hold circuit, gives us a signal x naught t, which looks like this type of signal. So this signal x naught t is the reconstructed signal from samples st. So zero order hold holds the value of the signal to be reconstructed for sampling period where the value will be same as the value of the last received sample. ओके, तो यहाँ पे जो ये दो लाइंस हैं वो ये बताती हैं कि जो ज़ीरो ऑर्डर होल्ड सर्किट है वो होल्ड करेगा किस वैल्यू को, रिकन्स्ट्रक्टेड सिग्नल के लिए सैम्पल सिग्नल की प्रीवियस सैम्पल की वैल्यू को होल्ड करेगा फॉर अ टाइम पीरियड दैट इज़ इक्वल टू सैम्पलिंग टाइम पीरियड विच इज़ इक्वल टू ts. तो फॉर ts वैल्यू जो भी प्रीवियस सैम्पल ऑफ st की वैल्यू होगी वो ये होल्ड करेगा फॉर अ टाइम पीरियड ts. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो इन x नॉट t st सिग्नल का जो फर्स्ट सैम्पल है इट इज़ होल्डेड फॉर टाइम पीरियड ts. सो वी कैन राइट हेयर एज इट गिव अस ts वैल्यू. Okay, here we have 2ts and so on. Okay, so these are equally spaced values. Now we wanted to determine the transfer function for this zero order hold in today's video lecture. So as you can see here that x naught t the output of zero order hold is a unit step function appearing into ts. Okay, so we can write it as x naught t can be given by ut minus u t minus ts if we consider the individual part as so we are considering only for first sample, which gives us x naught t, which is equal to ut minus ut minus ts, and this will be added for all the other parts. So now taking our output as x naught t, where the input is a sample, means input is a delta t or a impulse. So we can write here that input so here we are having signal xt, which is sampled using the sampler, and after that it is passed through a zero order hold. And after zero order hold, a signal will be produced as this. So here we have xt, this xt is converted here a train of impulses, or we can say that it is for first instant it is equal to delta t, and here we have x naught t, now take Laplace transform of this output, so it will be x naught s so x naught s is equal to ut, the Laplace transform is 1 minus 1 by s minus ut minus ts, that is having a Laplace transform is equal to 1 by s e to the power minus s ts. Okay, here actually we are going to change our variable s, else it will create a ambiguity. So we are removing s from here and we are directly representing it with t, so it will be only t. So you can see that x naught s will be equal to 1 by s into bracket we have 1 minus e to the power minus s t. So this is our output in frequency domain. Now the input is delta t, so delta s will be 1. In frequency domain it will be equal to 1. So now we are going to determine the transfer function. The transfer function is Laplace transform of output over Laplace transform of the input. Let us say it is Hs. So Laplace transform of the output is x naught s. And input, that is delta s. So we are going to put 1 by s, 1 minus e to the power minus st. This is divided by 1. So finally we have a solution here as 1 by s, 1 minus e to the power minus st, which is the transfer function. Okay, so we can replace the ZOH block and we can write here okay, where t is the sampling time of the zero order hold. So in this way we have achieved, or we have determined the transfer function. We can write it as 1 minus e to the power minus st divided by s, which looks like this. Okay, so transfer function of zero order hold will be 1 minus e to the power minus st divided by s. So let us quickly see what we have learned today. We have learned that a signal xt, which is converted to the samples, can be reconstructed back to its original format, that is continuous time signal xt, but the reconstructed signal will be constructed using a zero order hold. So zero order hold the value of a previous sample. So reconstructed signal will look like this, and the dotted line in green gives you the reconstructed signal. The transfer function of zero order hold will be determined here as xt when sampled gives us impulses. So for first instant delta t, it can hold the value, and up to t, which is the time period for our zero order hold. So for first sample x naught t, we have a value as ut minus u t minus t, capital T. So after taking Laplace on both the side, the output x naught t or x naught s is equal to 1 by s 1 minus e to the power minus st. As you know, the transfer function of ZOH will be equal to Laplace transform of the output x naught s divided by Laplace transform of the input delta s. So we have determined the transfer function as 1 by s 1 minus e to the power minus s capital T, and we have replaced it into our diagram. So here you have zero order Hole circuit, 1 minus e to the power minus s capital T divided by s, and this is our portion called as sampler. Here we have sampler and here we have zero order Hole. X naught t, which is our reconstructed signal. Okay, and xt, this is our original signal. And after sampling we have st, which is our sampled signal. Okay, so in this way we have completed the construction or signal reconstruction. So stay tuned for the upcoming video lectures on the topics from RTU syllabus, and I hope you will enjoy this video, and thanks.